Neither versus either. Either means one or the other in choices or is used to agree negatively with a statement using not. Neither means not one or the other and is used to agree with a negative statement without using not. Neither versus either explanation and differences. Either. Meaning, one of the other of two options. Usage. Used in positive sentences and questions to refer to any one of the two items. Often used with either or not either. Is equal to neither. Examples. You can take either the bus or the train. I don't like either option. Is equal to I like neither option. Neither. Meaning, not one and not the other of the two options. Usage. Used in negative sentences to say that none of the two items apply or are true. Often used with neither nor. Examples. Neither John nor Mike is coming. Neither of the answers is correct. 25 sentences using either. We didn't win in either game. Is either of your parents coming? I don't mind either restaurant. You can choose either tea or coffee. You can park on either side of the street. You can sit in either chair. Either option works for me. We can go on either Monday or Tuesday. She doesn't like either of the dresses. You may contact me by either phone or email. I'm not happy with either choice. Either route will take you there. I don't think either idea will work. You can arrive at either 8 or 9 a.m. The results weren't good in either case. I can't support either side. I don't want to take either risk. You're free to stay in either room. There is no good in either decision. Did either of you see what happened? Has either team scored yet? I'm okay with either result. Either answer is acceptable. She's not answering either phone. I haven't seen either of the movies. 25 sentences using neither. I like neither option. Neither cat is friendly. Neither of us knew the answer. Neither of them passed the test. Neither John nor Lisa came to the party. Neither solution works. Neither statement is true. Neither of the phones is working. Neither team won the match. Neither of my parents smokes. Neither brother is helpful. Neither comment was necessary. Neither candidate impressed the voters. Neither hotel had rooms available. Neither plan was approved. Neither of us wants to go. Neither email was sent correctly. Neither road leads to the station. Neither movie was interesting. Neither boy is telling the truth. I can trust neither side. He's neither friendly nor helpful. The food was neither hot nor tasty. She bought neither of the dresses. They chose neither option in the end. Quick tip for spoken English. Statement type. Response with either or neither. I don't like it. I don't either. I can't do it. Neither can I. Do you want A or B? Either is okay. Do you want A or B? Neither, I don't like both. Mini quiz. Choose the correct answer. I don't like sushi. Do I? A. Either. B. Neither. You can have tea or coffee. Take. A. Neither. B. Either. I don't like action movies and he doesn't. A. Neither. B. Either. Which shoes do you want? They're both too big. A. Either. B. Neither. She didn't come, and did Tom? A. Either. B. Neither. Answers: 1B. Neither. 2B. Either. 3B. Either. 4B. Neither. 5B. Neither. Practice dialogue. Anna: I didn't go to the party last night.
Ben, neither did I. I stayed home and watched a movie.
Anna: Oh, nice. I don't like big crowds.
Ben, yeah, I don't either. Too loud.
Anna: Do you want tea or hot chocolate?
Ben, either is fine. Surprise me.
Anna: Okay. Do you like jazz or rock music?
Ben, neither. I prefer classical.
Either in conversation. Giving a choice. A. Do you want tea or coffee? B. Either is fine is equal to I don't mind which one. Negative agreement with not. A. I don't like horror movies. B. I don't either is equal to me too, I also don't like them. Neither in conversation. Saying not this one or that one. A. Which shirt do you like, the red or the blue? B. Neither is equal to I don't like any of them. Negative agreement without not. A. I can't swim. B. Neither can I is equal to me too, I also can't swim. Note: when using neither, don't double the negative. Incorrect: I don't like it, and neither don't I. Correct: I don't like it, and neither do I.